Well, I hope that you have had some success today. I hope that this hasn't been. I hope this has been the right amount of challenging. I will get to know you, and you'll get to know me. And I hope that I can always put something in front of you that will challenge you, but always being right there where it's just the next step that you need to take. I don't ever want to put anything in front of you that you find impossible. And I do need you to talk to me and let me know if something is too difficult for you right now and we need to back up and go a little bit slower. And also let me know if you've got this and you're ready for something else. You're hungry for more. And I can definitely adjust to how you're doing. So I wanted to throw one more here out at you because I talked about in the last video how if we have variables on both sides, what I use to help me decide which way I'm going to go with my variable is I think about this like a tug of war. If I've got 3x on this side and I've got 7x over here, I don't go any further until I have a variable on one side or the other. And I always think about a tug of war. I think if I've got 3 x's over here and I've got 7 x's over here, which one of these two is stronger? Well, I think, okay, the 7 is stronger, so it's going to pull 3x over here to this side. It's going to pull 3x over here to this side. 3x minus x is 0, so that has canceled that out. I should do both of those to make that where it doesn't look like it's division. It has made that go away. We have now 10 here as a constant on the left. 7x minus 3x gives us 4x plus 2. And now our variable is on just one side. But if you remember, we wanted our variable all by itself. Here's where I don't want you to get tripped up. Because when we first start looking at equations, we get into a mindset that x has to be on the left-hand side. And that's not true. X can be on the right-hand side. It just looks a little bit weird, but we're okay with weird. I hope we are. We better be. What we're going to do now is just follow our 2 steps to get this finished. We're going to subtract 2 from both sides. That's going to leave us with 8 on the left and only 4x on the right because these 2 right there went away. And then we have a coefficient that's going to go away by division. 4x divided by 4, that leaves us just with x. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And that really gives us, I ran out of room here real quick, that really gives us x equals 2. Or 2 equals x. But no matter which way we say this, no matter which way we express that x equals 2, no matter which way we express that, those are both the same. It is the same expression whether the x is on the left or the x is on the right. I want you to get comfortable with either one because they're saying the exact same thing. I don't want you to feel like you have to throw in an additional step of moving the x over here or to one side or another. You may have a teacher that says always move it to the left. I would respect that teacher, and if that's the way they want to have it on a test, then do that. But I want you to very politely tell them it doesn't matter which side x is on because either you say x equals 2 or 2 equals x. They're both the exact same thing. Okay. One last thing today. I want everybody here to at least try to get to Khan Academy today. This right here is the website for Khan Academy, www.khanacademy, and it is .org, O-R-G, khanacademy.org. Let's see, Miss Perry and Miss Ritchie should have your usernames and passwords, and you should have laptops and computers there where you can get on Khan and try this. The objective or the exercise that I'd like for you to try is the exercise called equations with variables on both sides. But I have recommended that for all of my students. So you should be able to log in, and when you log in, it should be on your main screen. Should be on your main screen as this has been recommended by Mr. King. And what I'd like for you to do today is I'd like for you to try, and you can do it for homework tonight. You don't have to do it before class is over. You can do it for homework tonight. I'd like for you to try to get 5 practice problems correct in a row. 5 practice problems correct in a row. And when you do that, you will have gone from having needed practice to practice. And that is one of the levels on Khan Academy. And as we get into further videos and further along with this class, we'll be talking more about Khan. But as you do work on Khan Academy, I can see it in real time here at Dibble. So it's a great way to do some practice over distance, because I can see whether you're doing it at Irving College, whether you're doing it at Morrison, or whether you're doing it at Dibble. I can see it here. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Please leave a comment in the videos if you have any. I'd love to know how this was today, if it was too difficult, too easy. And just know that I'm here for you. If you need me, just email me or leave a comment on the video. And let me know how it's going. I hope everybody here has a great rest of your day. I know you're in the morning at Irving College, and at Morrison, you're toward the end of your day. So just hope everybody has a good rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.